All right, it's your boy Curtis Wolfe. I'm a little depressed because this install went kind of weird. The light's yellow instead of white, but it's cool. We're gonna get to it. Let's go. Alright, so as you can see, today I'll be working on my new car, the BMW 335 that I just got in place of my G35. I just did a video on that, so if you want to check it out, click the card above. But today we'll be doing my first install on this car, giving Rosco, I decided to name him Rosco, by the way, Rosco Dash. But we'll be giving my new car, Rosco, some new lights. The angel eyes on this car actually went out on one side, but I'm going to go ahead and replace both of them so that they match. I think the owner before me had installed LED, HID lights or whatever, but I'm just gonna install regular light bulbs. It's much easier, and I don't know which bulbs he was using before. I'm gonna try and get this done before the sun goes down, but yeah, follow me as we dive into the hood. So the first thing you're gonna see when you open the hood, right? Come down, right here. This plate right here needs to come up, and under here we'll find a bulb. But let's rewind. First of all, see these tabs right here? We're gonna need a flathead to push these in and push it up. There we go, something like that. Get in right there. We're gonna get in right there. Oh yeah. And then we're just gonna, bow, just lift it up a little bit. Boom, okay. If you can see in here, this is the bulb, the thing wiggling in here, connected to the wire, right? The person who had this, like I said, had LEDs, so they had an aftermarket setup right here. This is the resistor box. This is the original plug right here. And so I can take out the plug for the old one just by, one-handed. Okay. I used to always watch people do these repairs, you know, like stuff like this, and they'd be like, "Oh, it's hard to do with one hand." Now I see what they meant. Wow. Well, my stand just broke, but it's cool. I'm gonna just hold it like this. Don't pull on the cables too hard. You just want to pull on the connector itself. Guys, this is hard. All right, I'm gonna have to unplug this, right? And so this is the old cord. This is the resistor. This is connected to the bulb in here. And for some reason, I don't know how this man managed to get the bulb in here because it's not coming out. It's too big to come out of the housing. What was supposed to be a simple light bulb replacement is now taking me quite a while. So what I'm gonna do before even pulling the rest of this light bulb out is testing this light that I got from Advanced Auto Parts. It's relatively cheap. It's an H8 white light. I don't think it's gonna be as bright as the LEDs, but it's simpler, it's quicker to install, and hopefully it looks decent. If it doesn't, I guess I will figure out what's up with all these LEDs, but for now, we're just rocking with this here. All right, so it's relatively simple now that it's out of the packaging. Oh, neighbors, question mark, kind of cute. Oh. Kind of cute. Maybe they heard me. Oops. Nah, I need me a black girl, maybe. I don't know. But okay, so back to the install. If y'all see this right here, literally where I unplugged it, typically what a regular light bulb would do is unplug from here, like I showed you guys earlier. You take this H8 light bulb and plug it in. Oh, okay. Wow. All right, and then typically this slides into the housing, but for now I'm just gonna test and see if this light bulb even comes on. I'll worry about the rest of me getting this properly into the housing, but we're gonna get to it. I will snap back to when it is done. Wow, I just realized I recorded a whole segment without pressing record, but that's fine. What I'm concerned about is this is not white. Look at this package. Look at this. Look. Okay, so tell me, I looked at this. It says color, right? Right there. I can read a little bit, maybe. And it says wider light. It says wider light. Wider, right? What does this look like to you? What is this? Is gold. This is bright yellow. Do y'all see? Am I tweaking? I guess that's okay. I'm just gonna. That's okay. That's fine. That's okay. I just will have yellow lights. I have yellow lights. That's fine. That's cool. That's fine. That's cool. But anyway, back into it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this yellow light off and get into trying to get this into the housing. Jeez, that was rough. We did it. All right. So there's this little bugger that was very hard to get out, but it's cool. It's out now. Now go ahead and plug this bad boy yellow light in here. Okay. And just so you guys can see, going inside the housing. This is the front, and it goes inside that housing, so you can see the bulb, you know, working its way through right here. You just have to align it and screw it in. We'll do all of that right now. Perfect. All right, so I got it in. This is how it's looking. It's kind of like clipped into the place right now. And I'm saying kind of because it's really not. This is really dangerous, having my hands in here. All right, well, it's in. I mean, it's in. I'm honestly, let's set up the camera back a little bit. Not gonna lie to you guys, I'm not really happy about that. I definitely looked on here, and before I open the package, what brand is this? Silver Star? I'm not very happy with that. You know, it is in my Halo. That's cool or whatever, but I was really expecting to get a white light and they lied to me, but it's cool. What I'm gonna do is leave that in for now and hopefully figure out what LEDs I need to get so that I can make the light white. But that's how you do the install. It's very simple, very quick. Doesn't take much. And last step, we're just gonna pop the cover back on. All right. Oh, guys. Well, you know how they say you have fail videos. I guess that's my first YouTube fail video. I'm not very happy about the end result. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and we'll get it rolling. I'm just talking at this point. I don't even. You know what? It actually didn't turn out too bad. Maybe this was a life lesson. Maybe I should stop complaining so much. All right. So yeah, maybe this was a life lesson. Maybe I need to stop complaining so much. They turned out actually a lot better than I expected. It got dark really quickly, so I had to hurry up and finish, but both sides are done. It looks awesome. I'm happy about it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, leave me suggestions. It's Curtis Wolfe. I'm out. Ooh, I kind of look good. It's crazy. I might use that for with the. Ooh, tell me if I'm sexy. If you like my channel, subscribe.
Atlanta Dodgers.
I feel good, I feel great. I might smoke another J. We get lit and we get laid. We get praised and we get paid. Take a shot straight to the face. Take a moment, let it phase you. Phase. Take a moment, let it phase you. Phase. Take a moment, let it.
Thank you guys for sitting through. If you stayed this long, I really appreciate you. Please hit the like, subscribe. You know, watch some of my other videos. I'm kind of funny sometimes. Maybe sometimes I'm not, but you know, leave a comment, leave suggestions on what you guys want to see happen with this car. Yeah, I'm happy to be back. First step with Rosco. Today was a fail, but it's cool. It's my first YouTube fail, so that's exciting. I'm gonna figure out what light bulb this is right here. If you guys know what light bulb this is, please let me know in the comments. I'm gonna try and find one and order it very, very soon so I can go ahead and make the headlights white. But that's how you change the daytime running light bulb in the BMW E90, E92, E93. Let me know how the instructions were. I'm gonna keep doing more instructional videos, so hopefully you can let me know what I can improve on, what I'm doing good, what's bad, what needs help. Am I ugly? Am I cute? You know, that type of thing. And we'll just keep it moving from there. And that's it.